Sales revenue. A business has compiled the following information for the year ended 31 December 20x2. Opening inventory, $96,550. Purchases, $247,250. Closing inventory, $105,675. The gross profit as a percentage of sales is always 20%. Based on these figures, what is the sales revenue for the year? Answer: opening inventory, $96,550. Purchases, $247,250. Closing inventory, minus $105,675. Cost of sales, $238,125. Sales revenue, $238,125 divided by 0.8 equals $238,125 times 100 divided by 80 equals $297,656. More explanation. Gross profit equals sale minus cost of sale. Markup on cost 20%. Markup equals sale minus cost divided by cost equals 20%. Gross profit equals cost times 20%. Sale equals cost plus cost times 20% equals 120% times cost. Gross profit equals sale minus cost equals cost plus cost times 20% minus cost equals cost times 20%. Margin 20%. Gross profit percentage on sales revenue of 20%. Margin equals sale minus cost divided by sale equals 20%. Gross profit equals sale times 20%. Gross profit equals sale minus cost equals greater than sale times 20% equals sale minus cost. So sale equals cost divided by 0.8 equals cost divided by 80 divided by 100 equals cost times 100 divided by